Hey guys, JT here. I know it's already somewhat pre-unboxing, but an unboxing of the Traxxas E-Revo 2.0. So I just picked this up today, and hold on, guys. Smell-o-vision. Gotta love the smell of a new RC car. So I just picked this up from Hobbytown in Kennesaw, Georgia. I was actually in the area, and they actually had just got one in. They had the color that I wanted, so I went ahead and picked one up to do some running videos on this and let you guys know my thoughts on this. This has got foam everywhere. Yeah, I kind of hate that. But anyway, I got this because I do want to do some running of it and stuff like that. I'm just going to do a quick, or as quick as I can, overview. I'm not going to get too in-depth because there are tons of unboxings out there on this thing, and you guys can kind of look at those to go more in depth if you want to know more of some of the specifications and stuff. I want to get it out and tell you guys how it runs and how I feel about how this thing performs and my just thoughts on its performance of it. You know, tires and just how durable it is. I'm not going to try to break the car by doing triple, double backflips over cars on concrete and stuff, but I am going to run the car. So I did have one video where somebody had this and they did run it for a short period of time for me. They ran it on 6S. So, but there are a couple things I did want to point out to you guys about this. Of course, you get some tools in the box as well. You get something to wrench on with the car. A couple of Allen key-like things up in here. Trying to see what some of this stuff is. Tire wrench and a couple other things. I don't know what this is for. I'll know after my first run thoughts video, after I get more in depth into it and stuff like that. But they do give you basic tools and of course an instruction manual with it. So as far as the car is concerned, you guys know in some quick looks I did at hobby shops and stuff, it does have this quick release body, kind of like the X-Max. You don't need any body pins or anything like that. So I'm hoping that this body, which I don't think it will hold up a little bit better than the X-Max. So I'll have to probably get some bigger wash to put in there. But that has yet to be seen. I'm going to drive it and see how that holds up. I don't expect this to be flipping as much as my X-Max did. So it does come with a 2200 kV motor. This is kind of like the Castle rebrand or remake of it. This is a 6S capable ESC. They are not using a Castle brand ESC up in there. So I have not owned a full-size Revo. I did own a regular-size Revo. I'm sorry, not the 16th scale, and I didn't have that long because it kept flipping a lot. It kind of got on my nerves to be driving it and going after it when it flipped and stuff, especially the brushless one. So this will be my first time having a Revo, and I got a friend that's got a regular Revo, so maybe we can get them together and run them together. And I have a friend that's got a Nero, and of course I got a Crate and blah, blah, blah. So maybe we'll do some side-by-side comparisons and videos, but right off the bat, I do like the look of this, and I do love this color scheme for this orange body here. They got this plastic protection over top of it, so if it does slip on its top, it is rubbing on this and not actually on the body. Now, one thing that I just, a lot of companies are doing this. Losi has the EC3 connectors, and now Traxxas, of course, they have their connectors. But the thing with this is that if you do not have any of the Traxxas female connectors or batteries with that, you have to kind of buy their batteries for it, because if you cut these wires inside, or kind of what I want to do, some XT90s or something for it, you automatically void the warranty. So, and you can't really buy the Traxxas connectors anywhere, so you're kind of forced to buy their batteries with that, which I think kind of sucks because the batteries are pretty expensive, and then you got to buy the charger, and it does have I think I forgot what it called, some kind of smart connector or something, where the balance cord is built into the LiPo battery, or the actual plug of it. So I don't have any on hand, but I do have some female connectors because I did buy some before they went out of stock and stuff with it, or whatever. They just stopped making them. So I will solder up, and I'll run this on 4S and also on 6S as well. So I'm curious to see how this thing runs with it. It does come with 2075 servos. Just give you guys a quick look at the underside of this car here. Like I said, I've seen several videos on it. It's run pretty good, so I want to run it on 4S first and then get this thing running on 6S as well. Now, to reach the 70 miles per hour, you do have to upgrade the internal gears. So it's not like something comes out the box 70 miles per hour. You do have to change out the spur gear and the pinion gear, which is going to cost you money and all that work to do. With some of the other cars, you just add a pinion gear to it and you can reach those 70 mile per hour speeds. But I don't plan on going 70 with this. I'm probably just going to run it on 4S, 6S, do some runs with it like that, and then keep it like that, and then of course take it to the BMX track and stuff. So I'm kind of going through this quickly because I'm running out of space too. So that's just, like I said, a quick look and unboxing of this thing. It does come with TSM Bluetooth radio, So that's good. I'll see how it runs with TSM and also without as well. So I'm excited to get this thing running, guys. See how this thing runs, see how it compares to other cars too. And then I'll give some of my first final thoughts on it, run again, and give my final kind of review on this truck as well. So you guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.